In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Notion page to ClickUp. If you're using Notion to organize your thoughts and tasks and ClickUp to manage your projects, you might want to integrate these two powerful tools to streamline your workflow. Luckily, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Notion workspace. Navigate to the specific page where you want to embed the link from ClickUp. This page might be dedicated to a particular project or task, or it might be a general workspace where you gather various resources. Once you have this page open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now head over to ClickUp. Here, you want to locate the specific item or task you wish to link to your Notion page. This could be a task, a document, or even an entire project, whatever fits your needs. Each item in ClickUp has its own unique URL, which allows you to link directly to it from other applications. Simply copy the URL. To do this, look for the option that allows you to get the link. Usually this involves right-clicking on the item or finding an option to copy the URL in the settings or sharing section. Once you have the ClickUp link copied to your clipboard, go back to your Notion page. Here, you'll paste the link directly into your page. Notion is versatile when it comes to embedding links, so you have a few choices about how you want this to appear. You can simply paste the URL and choose to create an inline link. This is perfect if you want the link to fit seamlessly into your text. Alternatively, if you want the link to stand out more, you can paste the URL and then click to create a card, which will give it a more prominent visual display on the page. When you paste the link, Notion will automatically detect that it's a URL and suggest formatting options, allowing you to decide how you want it to look. You could also choose to convert it into a button if you like a more interactive feel. Whichever method you choose, it's all about making sure it's easily accessible and visually blends well with the rest of your page layout. And there you have it! You've successfully connected your Notion page to a ClickUp task or resource, making it easy to navigate between your notes and your project management tools. This setup enables you to stay organized and ensures that all the critical information and tasks are just a click away, fostering a more efficient workflow. As you go along, consider how you can further integrate